Hello.
Hi.
Why are you looking other place? What happened?
What are you talking about, my brother?
I'm talking to you. I like you. Why are you laughing?
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
I think you are not normal.
What do you mean?
Excuse me, my brother.
Okay.
Do you know me?
I know you.
Who I am?
You are Supreme.
What you say?
I like you. What happened?
What?
Are you Supreme or not?
No, I'm not.
Who are you?
I'm Chuelia.
Chuelia.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
I think I'm from the America. I'm from America.
America.
Yeah.
But you know, your pronunciation is Pocky.
Oh, never mind, because I like you.
Why you every time say I like you, I like you?
Because you are beautiful. What happened?